I have now repeated the same process for the other houses. So now we have 24 bundles of microducts coming in here. Next step is blowing in the fiber. So I will just connect, let's say, a patch cable here, just 1 meter long. Then I'll multiply this to get the rest of the microducts connected, and that's basically blowing in the fiber. We can now even remove the fibers that we don't need here. These two are not connected, and these two are not connected. And now you can press R on the end of the fiber, and there you can see the fiber starts currently at Sitio Grande number 15 and ends here in 17, because the wavelength shows us this is the return path. What's left now here to connect these houses is setting up your head-end structure. I'll just place some splitters so we can see the signal being routed and the optical power going through the houses. So these are 4 splitters. I'll take another 4 splitter, hook this up. This is just for demonstration, this is not how you would do it in reality, but I think the message is clear. It's rather easy to do this, so if you want it more complex, you can do it more complex. If you want it easy, just do it easy. So we're going to create one single signal source here that I will place on the end of this cable. Now we have one bundle, one wire coming in, and we're going to add our upstream. I set this to be a nondescript optical service. And now if I press R at this place, I can see in the calculation result. These are all the return signals coming from the customers. You can also see the different addresses. And you can see this is the signal going to the customer side from our signal source, from our head end. If you want to quickly jump to a customer, you can just move your mouse on the end of a leaf and press W. You will jump to the next microduct connection on that side, and this means you can jump through to the house, up to the customer. And you can also color the signal path forward and backward by pressing J. You will see that this whole microduct structure lights up at the moment, up to our signal source, our node. And here you can see the single wire which goes to this customer. Now we have 40 customers hooked up to our optical node, and we can now do a bill of materials to sum up all the items that we've set. This can be saved or exported to Excel, or of course printed. To sum it up, you have seen how easy and quick it is to create an optical network with AND using microducts. You use library objects, copy and paste of blocks, and a few mouse clicks and you're done. At the current stage you could even pick up the whole structure for 2 houses, copy this into another block of houses, and hook this up to your structure. So you can see that it's rather easy to create these structures, and it's very fast to do this if you have some preparations made. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find AND a useful tool to create your microduct fiber to the home networks. Goodbye.